this tutorial, I will guide you how to uninstall the BlockerHero app. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now on your phone, just open the BlockerHero app. Now once you open, scroll down, you should see an option on advanced blocking. Now make sure to turn off uninstall protection. Just select turn it off. After turning it off, uninstall protection, now tap on your settings. Scroll down, tap on apps, search for BlockerHero, tap on BlockerHero application, scroll down, you should see an option to uninstall. So you can either select deactivate and uninstall, but they say here this admin app is active and allows BlockerHero to perform the following actions. So simply select deactivate and uninstall. They say, do you want to uninstall this app? Just click OK. And then the application will be uninstalled just like so. Or you can also go to the Play Store and search for the BlockerHero. If you still have an application on your phone, you should see an option to uninstall directly from the Google Play Store. But I've already removed this app, that's why you don't see an option to uninstall BlockerHero. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.